like, I'm gonna crush this intro. I'm wearing a Tacosaurus shirt. Date for a month, and then after that month of time, you can then decide. I mean, this. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the first week day. Man. I almost had that intro. I'm moving over. I'm out of frame. I'm like, man, I was like, I'm gonna crush this intro. And I was like, it's the first week of the day. Nope, it's the first day of box week, April 2019, which is birthday month box week. Let's be excited about something right now. I'm wearing a Tacosaurus shirt. That's what I'm excited about. So, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, sorry, not sorry. This is just, this is who I am. I'm really frustrated with myself right now over the intro of this video. And unfortunately, I don't feel like I can make it any better. So we're just gonna move forward. If you are brand new to my YouTube channel, welcome, I'm Drew. And box week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. This is it. This is the best. This is the best. This is the best we have. This is it. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew family, subscribe or something, or don't. I don't understand. Honestly, this might be your first and last ever here, and I get that. So I do want to mention that we're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which we started filling up last month. If you notice, there's a lot more in it than when we ended box week last month. That's because I did get a replacement on that Target box, and I put most everything in there that I didn't feel like was gonna explode all over the giveaway stuff. So we're gonna open up tonight. We're gonna be opening Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription. If you were like, I like this video. First of all, awesome, because I don't know how I feel about it, and I'm in it. Second of all, if you're like, and I like that bag and I want to get one, there's a link below for you to sign up. So, it's $10 a month, and you get 5 beauty subscription items. Why am I like so off? 5 items every month. They're like beauty items. They're like samples. Some of them are like full size. You get like a little bag every month. It's great. So we're just gonna open it. I don't feel like this video is gonna come back at all. So first of all, the bag this month is real cute. It's lemonade, lemons. It's not lemonade, it's lemons. I promise there's nothing wrong with me. I don't know. I don't actually know what the problem is, but I just feel like this is gonna be the whole week. I do. So, this is the bag this month. It's real cute. It's lemons. I'm kind of crazy about it. I think it's adorable. I have stuff stuck to me. We also got a $1 Billion Brushes fan brush. This is really good for putting on a highlighter. I'm definitely going to be putting this into the stockpile giveaway if I can get it back in the wrapper. We might be doing this for like an hour. Me just like trying to put it back in the plastic wrapping. I don't even know if we need in the plastic wrapping at this point. Oh, got it. Boom! So, because I have a lot of makeup brushes right now, and the last thing I should be adding is a fan brush because I have a highlighter brush, and that would just be greedy. So the next item we have in here is Tarte Base Tape. Oh, hydrating primer from Tarte Double Duty Beauty. I think I'm actually going to try this. I've used Shape Tape. I've never used the base tape, and I've kind of been interested in maybe checking out a new primer. So it's going to really like make my makeup just like bam to my face. So this is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Primer. Say all of that. Oh, that just squirted out all over me. That was not great. Ooh, it smells like coconuts. And it's actually like, it squirted out real liquidy, but then it feels like it's gonna like adhesive to your foundation. So we'll definitely check that out and see what we feel about it. Next that we have is Moods by Laura Sanchez. It looks like that. I'm not really showing you guys anything in the bag. I guess I'm letting you watch me look at everything and just like, I'm not gonna show them. I'm gonna see it, and then that's it. Not sure what my probs is, but there we go. Ooh, snap. This is a sexy little green eyeshadow. And I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm going to be putting this in the giveaway box because I definitely have eyeshadows that are this tone. My guess is that it's probably a duochrome. So I'm thinking it's going to like go on with like a green, probably like a little bit of like a shimmery like gold undertone, but I'm not going to swatch it again because I'm going to put that in the giveaway box and I don't want to like use it. And then somebody's like, thanks for that touched up eyeshadow. I'm like, you're welcome. So next item that we have is the Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain Gloss. It's a little bit open. It's a little open. So we're going to keep that because it's already kind of open a little bit. It is a creamy lip stain. Oh my gosh, I was wearing a lip color like this earlier. It's called, what color is this? What do we have here? I don't know. Oh geez. I don't know what color this is. It's a creamy lip stain though. I think it's called Salute. We're going to put it on. Okay, what do you guys think? Look at that. Look, I'm going to put some on my mouth. Not that this matches what I'm wearing or makes any sense, but I just feel like we're already here. And let's just make this video as weird as possible at this point in time. So this, I don't know how I feel about it. Can you see it? What do you guys think of the color? I mean, it's nice. I don't feel like it's a spring tone. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm just like not feeling it. Maybe I'm just in a bad mood. I don't know. Next item, whoa, I just dropped the next to last item, is a answer from Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. Okay, so I'm actually going to for sure be putting this in the giveaway box. I have a lot of eye cream right now. Keeping this would be a major fail. It looks like there is just a little informational sheet about everything in here. Overall, I'm not actually super wowed with this month. I feel like the samples were all consistently kind of small. I mean, we had the full-size eyeshadow and the makeup brush, but I guess for me, like, I feel like so many subscriptions these days are like crushing it, like Allure and BoxyCharm are just like boom, that this is kind of just leaving a little bit of like a lacking feeling. So to recap, honestly my favorite thing about this whole entire bag this month is the bag. I feel like the lemons like made me happy enough to like not to really focus on the fact that I don't really love this bag. We got the Moods eyeshadow from Laura Sanchez, and it's that like sexy, like shimmery green tone. That's going in the giveaway box. I don't know why I just like chucked it in there, but I was like, that's going to the giveaway box. And we got the Billion Dollar Brushes fan brush right there, which is also going into the giveaway box. We got the Balm Glossy Lip thingy, which I kind of put on my hand. I don't know. I mean, it'll probably be good, like, just like, oh crap, I'm running late. Let me just put something on. We got the base tape from Tarte sample to try out. I am excited to try this. I think this will be a cool product. But again, this is like a thing. Okay, so like face primer, I feel like this is only gonna last me like maybe a week. And I feel like with a primer, you need like a month commitment before you can decide if that's actually where you want to take the rest of your life. I'm just gonna say it. If you are like a makeup fool like me, you're gonna be like, yep, you need to feel that primer out. You'll need to date for a month. And then after that month of time, you can then decide, I mean, this, I don't know, so that's me. Okay, then we got the answer from Luminous Collagen Eye Cream, which is going into the giveaway box as well. So that's everything in my bag today, which again, the bag is the best part of this whole thing. It also kind of matches my Tacosaurus, whatever. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below. If you don't join our Forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Box Week. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. It's lots of goo. I don't know how I feel about the gooey part, but
I hope my muscles like this.
Oh my goodness, I think, okay, there you go. Give me a big old piece for you.